Tonight we're gonna make some cassava cake, and the ingredients that we have is buko or coconut, young coconut grated, and grated cassava, condensed milk, coconut cream, cheese, and soy milk. We substitute soy milk for evaporated milk, and then we have sugar.
Sugar.
Yeah.
Okay.
First we have the butter, the dish we're gonna use for the cake, so it doesn't stick when you cut it. Now we're going to mix the cassava. And coconuts together. Now we're gonna mix the 3/4 of condensed milk and leave the rest for the topping, and another 3/4. Next, 3/4 of coconut milk. One and another one. Two eggs. That's it. And then mix it all together. We're gonna put the sugar, 5 tablespoons of sugar. 2, 3, 4, 5. And then just mix them all up until it's well combined.
Yay!
Now we're going to mix the topping for the cassava cake with condensed milk and coconut milk, the rest of the mixture that we did, and then what's this one?
Yes.
Evaporated milk and flour. Just some cheese. Yeah, okay. Just a handful first. And now we're gonna put the topping on the top.
Yeah.
A little bit. Wow. Okay. And then we're gonna sprinkle the cheese, the rest of the cheese. Sprinkle.
You can, put them. Alright? And then we'll put it back again for 15.
Buksan mo muna. Kamaya siya. Ano sabi niya?